Hello, my classroom and teacher. My name is Lina Castro. I am 35 years old. Let's begin. Journey to the deep of the Amazon. Stage 1. Going on a trip. In my last holidays, I went to the jungle and stayed there 2 weeks. When with my husband. When we walked through the Yari and Missouri River, I like this trip because it was quiet and relaxed. I like it because trip with a lot of natural place they visit. For example, we went to the waterfalls of the Gamitana, the Chiribiquete Park on the Niñeco Lagoon. We like it a lot. We came back 3 months ago. It was a wonderful trip. Stage 2. Recommendation. Fishing. Enjoy fishing. Sun. Protect yourself from the sun. Indigenous people know the traditional knowledge of indigenous people. Jungle, traditional, culture, knowledge, nature is what surrounds the jungle. Stage 3. What people shouldn't or should not do in the place. When you visit the jungle, remember to respect the way of life of the indigenous people. Do not throw garbage into the river. Respect the river. If you do not want to sing, do not risk it. The river is dangerous. Be careful with a snake, tiger, and other animals. Respect them, do not win them. The jungle belongs to everyone. We all must take care of it. Thank you.